Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue with our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to do stage 74 of Build the Lamborghini Miura, and that does finish pack 9. Would you believe we've caught up that quick? Pack 9, wow, I didn't think we'd catch up this quick. All we're doing today is just going to be fitting and putting together the spare wheel. So this hopefully, fingers crossed and touch wood, this should be a nice easy one. Well, let's see what happens when we get up to the bench. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on with today's build. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, 74 and the final stage of pack 9. Here we have the spare tyre. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be fitting this together. There's no direction this needs to go in. Now it does say this is softer, so we shouldn't need any hot water to put this in, because this would not be going as a wheel on the car. It's just for show. Well, if you put it on the car you might simulate a flat tyre, I suppose, but that's a possibility. But that's just gone into lovely into place. No hot water needed. That looks absolutely superb. Okay, so now that's in place, what we do need to do next is we need to put in a bracket to hold the spare tyre. So we bring our frame across. Here is the bracket. That's just going to slot onto there. And we just need to screw that in with some type B screws. So we just need 2 of them. It's nice to finish off this pack. I've had it since 2023. So a while. No, that's not going on. That's quite loose, I'd say. I might have to tighten that up. It's definitely the way it goes on. There's no difference to it. So I think I just need to make sure that other screw is a bit more tighter. Okay, so that's in. And then apparently all we have to do is to place our spare wheel on. And it should click into place. But it says not to press on the plastic because that could break it. And that's the last thing I want to do. Is there a direction this goes on? I don't think there is, really. It's an incredibly snug fit, I can tell you that. I don't know what that's from. Oh, that'll be that pin that came off in the previous stage. But it is. It should fit and come all the way through and not rock. And I don't want it to. There we go, that's in place. Yeah. As you heard, nothing cracked, that just went into place superbly. And there we have it. That is what we're left with at the end of pack 9. Looking really, really nice. Not a lot of parts in pack 9, I've got to admit. When I got the box it was very small, but you know, they do say things come in small packages, I suppose. So that is what we're looking at the end of this pack. So that is stage 74 and pack 9 complete. Well guys, that's it for the Lamborghini Miura and for pack 9. I cannot believe I've managed to work my way through it that quick. It's been, yeah, really short issues or stages to do. And I'm really chuffed how the way it's come out. It is looking really nice. I do have pack 10 all ready to go. I did receive that at the beginning of February. But with February being quite a short month, it's sort of time has flown by on that one. So, yeah, it won't be long. I think March, April is the next one for pack 11. So let's just see what happens then. But I'm really excited for this build now, because hopefully it'll all start coming together within the next last 3 packs. Fingers crossed. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as always, stay safe and bye for now.